So I ordered some items from Jumia yesterday morning and they delivered today. It's surprising because yesterday was actually Sunday, but they still delivered. I'm surprised. So we're going to be doing the unboxing together. If you don't know about my channel before now, I make videos about these things. I make videos about tech. I do giveaways sometimes. I also talk about software and investing. So be sure to like this video and of course subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be doing more videos like this. This is a 3-in-1 cable. I've always wanted to have one of these. I really thought about getting one before my last trip, but I did not. So it comes with an iPhone cable, USB-C, and then the standard USB. It's not detachable. I'm going to put the screenshot of the item on screen so you see what it looks like on Jumia. It's, I think, less than 2 meters. It's like a meter, pretty much. But yeah, I've always wanted to have something like this. I'm going to plug it to my power bank and just use it from time to time. Then also, I've always wanted to have a small phone. I think I got this for around 11 or 12k. This is I thought it was an Itel. This is a Techno T101. Looks similar to like the Ethel device. It has dual SIM. I've always wanted to get a dual SIM phone. Yeah, so it's very small and there's really nothing much to say about this device, to be honest, because I mean it's just one of those phones that comes with a touch and radio and you're just using it as a backup phone or something. Let's see what else is in the phone. It has a charger, which is a standard USB charger, very small, and of course it has a battery which looks like a standard Nokia battery, 1000 mAh. This is not, it's probably not going to, the charge is probably not going to last long, but then I don't plan to do a lot of heavy stuff with it. Just insert my SIM and just leave it like that. What else is here? These are basically underwears, men's underwears, also men's underwears. It's like a 3-in-1, and then this one is another 3-in-1, and then I think this is the biggest thing I got in size. This is a power socket. Let's open it real quick. So I got this because I needed something for my bedroom that has a Type-C port, a standard USB port. Well, it comes with 3 standard USB ports and of course 2, 4, 6 sockets. The cable, let's see how long the cable is. Yep, this is definitely 2 meters or more. I wish it was longer though, but yeah, it's not that long. The name is GKK Gokang something. I'm going to project it on screen so you guys can see it as well, but yeah, I'm going to test it. One of the reasons I like Jumia, and this is not a Jumia promotion video or something, one of the reasons I like Jumia is the fact that you can actually return items you get, you know, from there. Of course, not the underwears, right? But electronics like this, phones as well, you can return them back to Jumia if there's like a fault or something. You can file a return within 7 days of ordering from Jumia. So that's it. That's pretty much it. Let me know if you have questions and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys. Bye.